Hi, I went to the garden center today because it's a beautiful spring day and I found some great spring blooming plants, and I'm going to put them in this little blue container here, and I'll have flowers all for about probably a month or so. But I'm going to start with this ranunculus, and it's a nice pretty little, almost like a poppy. I'm going to put it in the back here for as a filler. And then I've got this great hot pink dianthus that I can put in the back. It'll give it some height and a lot of color. It's got a lot of little buds coming. And then for my spiller in the front, I'm going to use some alyssum. And that's a really wonderful smelling plant, and it'll spill down the front of this container. And last, I'm going to tuck in some pansies here and there. And I'll probably put some in the front and some in the back. And then we're going to have a beautiful spring container for at least a month or more.